man-to-man talk.
Okay, what subject would you like to talk about?
Well, I was thinking, don't you think it's about time you let me shoe a horse?
You shoe a horse? Huh? Why, you couldn't even shoe a fly. Shoe a fly? That's a hot one. Yeah.
I'll bet you I could shoe a horse. I just bet you.
That kid's always wanting to shoe a horse. That gives me an idea. Andy, look after the shop. I'll be back in a few minutes.
A horse. And working my way to Santa Anita racetrack. Would you please take me to some new shoes? Charlie horse. So you want some new shoes, do you? Yeah. Okay, Charlie. Come on in. What's the matter with you, anyway? You act just like my old man. There now. Eat some oats while I get your shoes ready.
Achoo! Craziest horse I ever saw. Now get that anvil off of you.
See, Pop? I told you I could shoe a horse.
Andy, tell your mother I won't be home for dinner.